In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Apify to Make.com. By the end, you'll have a working connection that lets Apify talk to Make through a webhook, so your automations can react instantly to what your actor is doing. First, open Make.com and sign into your dashboard. From there, head to Scenarios. This is where all your automations live. We're going to create a brand new one, so click Create Scenario. You'll see an empty canvas with a prompt to pick an app. Use the search to type Apify, then select the Apify app from the results. Make organizes actions into modules, which are the building blocks of your scenario. For this connection, choose the module called Create a Webhook. A webhook lets Apify send event data to Make the moment something happens, so you don't have to poll or wait on a schedule. When the module opens, give your webhook a clear descriptive name. A good name helps later when you have multiple webhooks, for example, something like Apify Actor Completed Product Scraper, so you can instantly tell what triggers it. Next, connect your Apify account using an API token. If you haven't connected before, click to add a new connection, paste your token, and confirm. Keep this token secure, store it in a password manager, and never share it publicly. If you ever rotate the token in Apify, remember to update the connection in Make to avoid broken automations. After the connection is set, choose the actor you want the webhook to monitor. An actor in Apify is the automation or scraper you run. Pick the one that should trigger this scenario when it runs or completes. Selecting the correct actor ensures only relevant events reach this scenario. Now, save your module configuration. This confirms your webhook details and your Apify connection. Then save the entire scenario so you don't lose your work. It's a small step, but it prevents surprises if your browser refreshes or you step away. To test, click Run Once. Make Will wait for an incoming webhook from Apify. When the actor event occurs, Make should capture it and display the payload in the module's output. That confirmation means your setup is working and ready to be expanded with additional steps like filters, data transformations, or sending the results to your favorite apps. And that's it. You went to Make.com, created a scenario, added the Apify app, created a webhook with a clear name, connected securely with an API token, chose the actor to listen to, saved everything, and ran a one-time test. You now have a responsive integration between Apify and Make that's ready to power your automations.